Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a logo in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva application and I have created a design. And if you want to create a logo, actually we don't need to create it manually. We can use logo template in Canva, or we can also use logo maker. And the first method, I'm going to show you how we can create a logo with template in Canva. We can go to the design and we can search for logo. Just type in logo and there will be a lot of templates you can use, and you just need to choose one of them. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and we can customize the logo. You can change the text. I'm just going to change it like that. Okay, and then here you can add your tagline. I'm just going to edit it. Just like that guys, and this is the final result. And actually guys, you can also use logo maker to create a logo. You can go to the apps menu on Canva, go to the apps, and then you're going to search for logo maker. Choose this option, and you have to describe the logo you want. You have to include words, object, colors, or shapes. Okay, and since this is just for an example, so I'm just going to type in red flowers. Oops, sorry, red flower like this, and then we can click on create. And we just need to wait for a moment until the logo has been completely created. Okay, and now the logo has been created, and I'm going to go back to my design, and this is the result guys. This is the logo we have just created with AI, and you can add text to your logo if you want. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a logo easily using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.